So greetings, Popeye the sailor man. We're going with the idea now.
In the name of Jesus, I'm here. Well, we are doing Big Boy 12, what should be done long time ago. But you know, things take time.
Yeah. So Big Boy 12, I do not do it and I'm going to post it for you people.
What you mean? First thing tomorrow, Sunday morning.
Alright, what are you supposed to do? Tell them what else.
Subscribe.
Man, distracted by a woman easily. So now start shoot first.
Wow.
Big boy.
You finally come to me.
I'm ready.
We're ready, man.
No, man, you're not ready, man.
We're ready. Are you standing here?
Daughter. You're not ready, Popeye.
Are you daughter for sure?
You see, I step forward, I want to see.
So, we don't have to bother be the man, can be a son-in-law. Alright. I set up a dinner date. Tracks and record.
Look at tongue now, Popeye.
No, you mad. No.
Just you like that one, Papa?
Well,
anyways, now come on, come start show the people who want to get Big Boy 12 right now.
Don't step forward, you want to
son-in-law. Me I stick to God, though.
So Papa, which part now go shoot this scene? I want to go.
Above this side. If you're watching and you're new to this channel, subscribe, please.
Yeah man, subscribe. So on the sound now go now.
Where? And if you have a friend...
You just appoint people, you all know you answer a question. So I figure more or less so them will go back that side.
Papa, I don't know where we are going.
We don't know yet.
Okay. So where you go shoot though? Which part?
We are shoot Papa now really in a scene. Afterwards, you're use him making get up. I'm asleep. So Big Boy come here, come call him, I know, but he's asleep.
So why I am going up this side?
No, all of you are coming from the TV.
So why Alton call me out?
See star right place people. Mr. Big Boy. So Alton Garden.
Alright, I come from this one, I've come here.
How you feel for be super famous? Hold on, I'm growing outside so you can't see me. You say you're famous? Where you do? Popular? Where you do? Normal. Don't fool yourself, man.
People, am I not a normal person?
Yes, a normal famous person.
I'm not. Ready, Richie, ready? Ready now, Alton?
See if we can catch them show us so we're not in the shoot. People remember subscribe and we have one like a movie that come up for me in December. Want to get it done. So, alright, cut.
Music, I like the reggae, I like music, I like the culture. To be honest, but I just feel like with music limited now what people say.
The popular music.
Ready. I feel like people just sing about gun and that woman. Like,
Sing about what makes money.
Yeah, they can sing about you know, but they don't have a vocabulary for entertain me them singing about that. They can always sing about that, but...
You gotta connect to that to sing and you might sing about Wi-Fi and sex.
Alright, good.
Like you can be creative. Go back, run, and cover it. Wait, I'm ready. Go, ready.
Onion, dog, onion.
Ready.
Great Malachi.
Ready now, Alton.
No, yeah, Chucky. So hold on, then gonna call you over here. Oh, yeah, sleep.
I'm sleeping in this crib. After he go, I wake.
Alright, my boss. But Papa, different do. What go on for Christmas? What kind of Christmas celebration are going on?
Well,
I don't really do a Christmas thing.
from I know myself, I'm 31 now. I never see a Christmas gift. I always give gift.
But what go on do differently? You just a give this a year the same way? Just a give gifts this a year?
Well, I'm not sure if the money come by, I will give gift.
No,
but if
clean,
not,
you're rough.
But
You're
only
rough.
my daughter for now, I have plans for it.
Okay, my boss. So, Mr. Brown, hit movie makeup on YouTube. What go on for Christmas? You don't have nothing special for Christmas?
I drop sitting tomorrow, man. Wrong one.
Wrong one. Oh. So,
Ready, Alton?
movie for Christmas name, wrong one.
Tell Chucky somebody to go look for him. Alton, then I have to show night. Just answer when you come call Chucky, tell him to Chucky asleep.
Yeah, right, sir.
Just walk in the shop and say,
Yeah, I'm working at the shop, nothing. We could have this in our house.
alright, this right now was one.
Wrong one.
Alton, come back and come back.
Well, we are sensible. Nah, take over. The man sensible. Not to my niece. Me tell my niece to jump over and nah jump
So me
over.
want just one and him back learn to climb out the house. I don't know if he climb out the house.
Remember when they used to put this in the mat crash?
And then put him over 15 and him one walk from over there go in and climb up in the house.
Yeah. I'm not telling my niece to jump over and crib open, you know. Nah, come out to the stand for the fire.
Then send somebody watch your papa.
So when they done this,
Right now, Alton.
come on.
Right now. Go for it, go for it.
Okay, I want that.
And yesterday they tell me saying in there next door man and he walk, him one walk over, climb up and go in the house. But I not see nobody a put nothing at the door against the battening thing.
10 days are done.
You can send someone, you nah drop out. You didn't drop out one
When
time.
jump out, you can't jump out again.
Yeah, man.
And jump out again.
Ready? Chuck it! Asleep! Alright, good out man, come on.
No, they are asleep. We don't understand that happening.
You ain't down asleep man.
You know, they am asleep.
Alright, Alton, come and catch us on this one. Without that,
We feel
without
them
that.
dark, they have to make, because we always have to twist up them dark.
Yeah. I'm burning birds, man.
Yeah, you ain't asleep.
You know, they are asleep.
Alright, so Alton, this is a time I know they can walk past the yard and some out there, skip at the final book out there. Come aside, come aside. I can't get chilly with it. Come on, look, you a long time you don't get all this. Ready?